In this video, we'll see about how we can use custom labels in a flow. So here, I'm going to create a new screen flow. So before creating a new screen flow, I'm going to create a new custom label. To create a new custom label, click on this settings icon, go to setup and search for custom labels. Click on custom labels. Click on new. I'll just name this as country. Name this as country and the value is India. Click on save. And now I just want to create a new flow. To create a new screen flow, click on the settings icon, go to setup, search for flows, click on flows, click on new flow, select screen flow, click on next, select auto layout. And here I'm going to add a screen element to display my custom label. So I'll just name this screen as display custom label. And here I'm going to drag a display text component. And inside this, I'm going to display my country, which is coming from a custom label. So here I'm going to display my custom label. Dollar label dot the custom label which you created. So this is my custom label dot country and just click on done. And also I'll just make this text at center and click on done. Just save your flow. I'll just name this as display custom label. Click on save. Activate your flow. Click on debug. Click on run. And you can see it's printing India. So we have not hard coded the value, instead of we are using custom labels. So the reason why we use it custom label is if you want to change this country from India to US in future, you can just change the custom label. For example, I'll just go back to my custom label which I created. So instead of modifying the value in the flow, we can just modify the value in custom label. So I'll just go back to my custom labels which I created. And this is the custom label which we created. Now I'll just edit this and just give a country as US and click on save. Now I'll just go back to my flow builder and just debug this again and click on run. Now it's showing me US. We didn't modify anything in the flow. The value is been getting from the custom label.